It's very good to have you here all the way from Australia
Good to see you again.
I mean, I have traveled to Australia already in my life, and I know it's quite a hassle. How long was your flight?
It's about 24 hours.
Yeah.
And so it's a long way, but it's great to be back here in Germany.
Very good. So what's your experience with the fair so far?
I think this is a terrific conference. I think there's a lot of interest, a lot of people here, very professionally run as well. So I think this is as good as any other conference you'll see in the world.
That's very good to hear. So let's talk a little bit about your Ashburton project, right?
Yes.
In the introduction in German, I talked already that De Grey had a little bit of a deal with you, that they have the option to acquire the project for 30 million Australian dollars,
Yes.
right? Your company is valued somewhere between 15 and 17 million dollars, but now something got in between. De Grey got a takeover from Northern Star.
Yes.
Give us a little bit of an idea what's going on in the whole takeover thing. What's the situation with your company? Give us an idea.
Of course. Thanks, Jan.
Yeah.
Yes, as you mentioned, we've sold our Ashburton Gold Project, which is a large gold project in the Pilbara in Western Australia. We've actually sold it for $33 million under an option agreement to De Grey Mining. And De Grey purchased or have entered into this option because they want to use the gold in our project for their new plant which is being built. That is due to settle, that project or that option, on the 4th of August, only in a couple of months' time. So we're very excited by that, and we're looking forward to that being settled. Interestingly though, De Grey, which is one of Australia's largest gold mines, or mining companies, as you mentioned, was taken over by Northern Star, which is Australia's largest gold mining company. So Northern Star now have acquired De Grey, so it's Northern Star that are going to make the decision to exercise the option and pay us either $30 million in cash, Australian, or give us Northern Star shares. But we have to wait a couple of more months for that decision to be made, but we're very confident it will. And probably the real reason why we're confident is that when we entered into this option agreement, the Aussie gold price was $3,200 an ounce. Today it's $5,200. So it's gold price has been working very much in our favour.
That's very good. And I think it's a very easy story, right? We don't have to make it more complicated to understand. You have a pretty low market cap compared to the option to sell this project.
Sure.
You also have shares of, for example, Carly Metals, where also could be upside potential. But let's talk about the other projects that you have. I've read something about antimony potential.
Yes.
Give us just an idea. What's the other potential that you have to increase shareholder value?
Absolutely. Well, the first thing is it's great to get some money in the bank. You know, $30 million, as you mentioned, our market cap is about half that. So you'd think that once that gets exercised, that there would be an immediate reappreciation of our company. But more importantly, it gives us money then to go and spend on our other gold projects. We've got the Mount Piper gold project in Victoria. It's surrounded by three of the world-leading gold mines and gold deposits. That's a great project for us. And also in Victoria, where I come from, the state of Victoria, we've got some gold antimony projects. And the price of antimony has gone through the roof, very high just in recent times. So we think we've got a lot of options, a lot of projects and an upside for our shareholders.
Very good. So it's a very good story to look at, right? As we said, the share price or the company's value compared to the value of the project, that's a very big difference. And we wish you best of luck with the exercise agreement, right? So thank you very much for being here, for giving us an update, and we wish you the best of luck for the next few months. It's going to be exciting.
Thank you, Jan.
Very good. All right.